What's going on? Welcome back to the channel for another video where I like to talk about things, photo, video, caffeine addiction, and occasionally why I treat Canon like it's the only camera brand that exists. Today's topic is a spicy one. I've had quite a few people reach out to me and ask, yo, why do you only talk about Canon? What about Sony, Nikon, Fuji, Panasonic, the camera on my toaster? Well, not that one. Valid, honest question. So let me break it down. So I'm just gonna come straight out and hit you with the short answer first. I shoot Canon because that's what I know. That's what I use. That's what I've always used. I've been shooting Canon as far back as I can remember. My very first real camera setup was a cinema setup, the Canon XL2. That thing looked like a shoulder-mounted bazooka. It had buttons that I didn't understand, tape decks that ate your footage, and a vibe that said, I direct indie films, and I cry at sunsets. Then came the Canon XL-H1. Oh man, that thing made me feel like Spielberg, or at least a Spielberg intern. And let's not forget my first Canon photo camera, the old AE1. Yeah, I had one of those too. Pretty sure I lost it in a move or it vanished into some interdimensional portal. No idea. It also might be in my mom's attic next to the treasure map to One-Eye Willie's treasure.
That says 1632. Is that a year or something?
Anyway, so why just Canon? Well, it's not some brand loyalty cult thing. I'm not out here with a Canon tattoo and a lens-shaped ring. For me, it's just practical. I'm a photographer that also enjoys filmmaking. And I'm on a budget so tight that it squeaks. I've already invested in Canon's EF and RF systems, their lenses, bodies, accessories, and that stuff adds up fast. So switching systems, not really in the cards right now. I'm still rocking the 80D EOS R and the R7. Meanwhile, the cool kids are out here flexing their shiny R5 Mark IIs and their R1s. And I'm just vibing over here with what I've got. You know, making it work and enjoying the process because, let's get real, gear helps, but it's not the magic sauce. And I never really talk about or even mention other brands because I'd rather stick to talking about what I know and that I can speak about with confidence. Now, don't get me wrong, I am learning. You know, JD has a Blackmagic Pocket Cinema 4K and we've used it to shoot some stuff on this channel. I've even dabbled with Sony a bit. Of course, it was in the form of a Handycam. And I've looked at some Panasonic stuff and frequently play with my GoPro and my DJI gear. But owning and regularly using a camera is very different from watching a review or borrowing one for an hour. I've even looked into renting some Sony stuff just to get slightly familiar with them and, you know, maybe make a bit of content about them. But the price of rentals, wow, I'd have to sell a kidney or my dignity. Look, I'm not anti-Sony or anti-Nikon or anything else. That's not the point. I just don't want to mislead people or pretend to know something that I don't. You deserve better than that. This channel is about honest experience, real world usage, trial and error, learning by doing. Now I do study specs. I can hold a conversation about some features in these other camera brands, but unless I've shot with it in real life, I really don't feel right giving any advice on it. Someday, yeah, I'd love to explore more gear, broaden the scope of the channel, bring in more brands, more tools, more options, but until that day comes, I have to stick with what I know. And I hope that you guys are cool with that. Or send me a Sony so I can finally review one. So here's the big question. Do you guys want me to talk more about other camera brands? You know, even if I don't own them? Maybe more reaction style, first impressions, spec breakdowns? Would that be valuable? Entertaining? Just chaotic enough to work? Drop your thoughts down in the comments. I genuinely want to know. So remember to smash that like button, subscribe if you haven't already, and click the bell to be notified of future videos. Also, visit my website, jeff-gresham.com, to pick up my Lightroom presets pack that features 13 presets that I designed to use on all my photo projects. And until next time, get out and shoot. I'll catch you in the next video.